Give me your opinion. You got a second?
Yeah, what do you got?
So, this is what I have. And it's like, I got to get this car when it's done, it's getting shipped across the country.
Oh, wow.
So if there's any issues, I can't take care of them. I'm going to have to pay someone to.
Right over there, yeah.
It was hit right in here. Messed up in here, the headlight and stuff. This has been in, it's chipped in here. One-time use only.
On the glass?
Yep, all of it. And the adjuster wants me to burn in right here. It's one of those things.
No, you can't. I mean, do it right.
You can, but you got to go up and over. And it's like on this one, you got to pull the doors off so you can clear coat all inside here.
Can't rope that glass.
There is, but look, there's no gasket underneath it. And there's even leaves underneath it.
I mean, it's like a fusion.
Yeah.
I mean,
We did one the other day. Ford, it's like, they're cheap cars to buy, but when you have to repair them now, they're like, we're going to get you.
yeah, the fusion's out of control.
So
Especially if you go to a warranted shop. The only way they do it is by warranting it. They might have a fight with you because you're not a warranted Volkswagen or Ford dealer.
But I still have to warranty the repairs.
Yeah.
As per the bar.
I mean, technically, you got to go into this pillar. You got to go all the way to that quarter. You got to go to the fucking roof. You got to go to the other quarter, the other pillar, and then
that's how I have it written.
It's
and they have
them.
And this is a claimant.
What kind of car is this?
This is Ford. Yeah, actually.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
Yeah, Ford Fusion.
Yeah.
And it's
I
a
just did one.
16.
You got to pull the quarter glasses. You're gonna have to pull the doors. You gotta pull the fucking doors and this weather strip out. They don't break.
Yeah.
I know they don't because I just did one at Penske Collision.
But the clips.
No, they pulled the back glass and the front glass and it did not break. Mm-hmm. And I told them if it breaks, I'm only giving you costs. I'm not giving you up. I'm not going to let you allow a supplement that high on a markup on a glass because I'm telling you to rope it. And they're like, no, we got to fucking pull them. I said, okay, you guys fucking pull that glass and it breaks. Technically, I only need to pay whatever the cost of the glass is because I'm telling you guys don't need to pull it. They're like, oh, well, we need to pull it because it's warranty. I'm like, okay, pull the fucking glass and send me a photo. Mm-hmm. So they had to pull both windshield and the back glass, and then they snapped photos of the R9. I said, okay, I'll pay you the freaking R9 time. No problem. So I gave the R9 time new weather stripping, new gap, new urethane kit for the back, the front, the 2 quarters. Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's just the nature of this car. There's no cutoff on the roof. You got to fucking drop the headliner down a little bit just to get the antenna out. I just wrote one on this thing.
What I was telling you, because I've got this F Sport we just did, and we had to have the glass pulled out of it. Mm-hmm. And like this one doesn't look too bad in here. It's got a little bit of stuff in there, but
yeah, if you want a second opinion on something like that, just call Mickey over at Penske Collision in La Mesa. Mm-hmm. His name is Mickey. He's the top rider there. And he'll tell you what he needs to do to get that Fusion back on the road.
When we pulled the glass out of the F Sport, this brand new car, this is what it looked like underneath the glass.
Wow.
And it was just like, and I cleaned it, pressure washed it, and this guy from Geico was just telling me, he goes, no, you don't have to do this and that. And I'm like, I don't have to, but if I want to warranty it, like they weren't paying us to scan it. And I'm like, dude, I've already scanned it. It's already showing codes, and I haven't even pulled it apart. I went to the Mitchell, the CAA, and I went to the Mitchell posted kind of like a little mini SEMA.
Yeah, they'll allow us they'll allow us to do like pre-scans and all that, but now we got to send them invoices. Because places go, hey, we want a pre-scan. Okay, fine, pre-scan thing. I need an invoice. Okay, you want a post-scan? Fine, send me an invoice, and then we'll pay it. I don't care. It don't matter to me. But some are saying they want to, like Honda of El Cajon, I caught them. Oh, we need a pre-scan. Okay, cool. Why do we need a pre-scan? I just turned the keys on. The shit's light up like a Christmas tree.
The thing
and he's like, it's got to go next door. I said, okay, fine. Mm-hmm. I'll put a pre-scan on there. But they never pre-scanned it. They only post-scanned it at the end. It was like $200-something, I think it was. 2.4.
Did they pre-scan it in the shop, or?
They never pre-scanned. All they did was saw a bunch of freaking codes on the dash, which I saw, and I snapped a photo of it. They were crying, I need a pre-scan. Dude, I have no problem. I'll give you the fucking pre-scan. Just show me that you're going to pre-scan the thing and give me a printout.
Yeah.
And so they didn't pre-scan it. They only post-scan it. And then I took the hour mechanical out of
I have
their supplement. Yeah.
my neighbors pre-scan, and a lot of the cars spinning on the car like we did an Audi.
Chris does them over there at Chaperone all the time. I deal with him a lot.
Yeah,
They
they're
have to,
just,
you know.
after going to that meeting and stuff that they had, and I've been, you know, Mike Anderson? He's holds all these meetings and stuff, and it's like trying to prove and help people so that we're doing safe repairs.
Yeah, absolutely.
And like 3 years ago, is when I went to one of his things, and I started making sure all these cars were scanned.
Yeah.
And
you have
it's,
to nowadays. It's just,
I had one with anti-avoidance all in here, and it was hit there. It wasn't hit hard, but State Farm wouldn't pay for any of that stuff. And they threw me under the bus and tried to prove it. And then I showed the customer, I go, dude, I'm just trying to do, it's like, look how much markup I'm making. $30. You think it's worth me arguing for $30? It's
Right.
like,
right.
and I says, look how long ago they were supposed to send us out a couple $100. It's like, it was 2 weeks ago.
Oh, yeah, dude, you'll chase me all day in this place.
We had 9 months of waiting.
All right, my man. Well, I'll get this thing out here as soon as I can.
What's that thing?
Oh, it's the, I do my total losses on it. It's like a CCC form.
Do you have an extra one of those I could grab from you?
I don't. That's the only one I have, but they're online. I think you can go online and pull them up. It's a CCC form.
Okay.
And it just gives you all the, but it used to be from Fix.
Yeah. We're all going to be the same shop pretty soon. Fix and Service King.
Soon enough, it seems like it is going that way. I know, dude, calibers freaking popping up everywhere. I mean, you drive into a community, like, oh, fucking caliber here? Like, holy crap.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I'm like, what in the world? Dude, they're all over the place. So anyway.
Who did you say for talking about that Fusion?
Mickey.
Mickey?
I forget his last name. He's the lead writer at Penske Ford, which is Drew Ford.
Okay.
The old Drew Ford, the body shop.
I know they're CA members because I go with.
But he'd be the one if you really wanted to get an idea how to tear that Fusion apart. I just did a fucking one hit down the side, and the supplement was like 10 grand.
Okay.
I mean, literally. And I went, whoa, no. So I went back out there and went over with them. I'm like, fuck.
Nice to meet you.
Okay, bro. Yeah, so Mickey over at Penske, for any reason you want to get an idea or a backbone on that Fusion, he'll tell you.
And then you're going to email me something over? Or?
Probably if it's a total, I probably won't. You're just going to hear from Hanover saying that they're going to tow it out of here and what your charge is and get it out of here.
Okay. You said if it is total?
Oh, no, it is, dude. Yeah.
Yeah.
It is. It's a goner.